Hello people, let's include some dishes. But before we include our dishes, let's go to our dish entity and go to our VM and place it. Place the minimum time and maximum time. Let's say both fields are required. Now go to our dish controller, dishes controller, go to view before the category. Let's say minimum time Oh, I misspelled here. It's minimum with M, not N. Let's just forget it. Let's say maximum time, and maximum time. But here, before you add new dishes, we're gonna add some new categories. But let's have some improvements in the categories. Let's go to our category, and here let's add a new category for color. And let's add an immigration for it. Let's add the immigration. Let's say add color category. Let's update database. Alright, close others. Go to category VM, puppets, let's say color as well. And here go to view, copy this one, and instead of S4 name, let's say color. Color, and color. And here for the type, let's say type color. So the user can select the color of our category. Let's now start it. Let's see it in practice. Let's go to our admin. Let's create a new category. And here we have the color. Let's say the first category is hamburger. The color of a hamburger, let's say this color. I don't know why. And here we'll have the color that we selected. A new category. Let's create a new category for Italian. Italian is green. Let's say it will be this green. A new one. Let's say common. And a common will have this color. Let's create now some dishes. Create a new dish. Let's say X burger. For the price, let's say 15 bucks. Minimum time, say 20 minutes, and maximum time 40 minutes. Category, let's say hamburger. For the dish image, let's say this one. And here we have this overlay here. We can improve it later. Let's save it and see how this is working. Let's go to our dishes. And here we already have breakpoints. Let's save it. Let's see how this is. And here we'll have some errors with the minimum time and maximum time. Because here we selected this much. It's like 40 hours and it doesn't exist. To enforce the user to use the formats hours and minutes, we can use here a regular expression. Let's say regex regular expression. I will let the regex in the resources of this lecture. I will copy this and I'll say the error message. The field must be in format. So the user will be notified that, and it will not let the user pass if he doesn't use this regular, if he doesn't match this regular expression. Let's now go to view and mask our input. Let's go to here and use the jQuery mask that we already used in our other lecture. Place the script tag here in the script section, and here inside this script open, let's say this one, don't forget the hashtag here, and say mask, and here is gonna be our mask. Let's say 99999, and do that to the maximum time as well. And that's it. Let's see if everything is working. I'll delete the dish that I've created. Delete it. Create a new dish. Let's say hamburger. It's gonna be 15 bucks. The minimum time, let's say 30 minutes. And the maximum time, 45 minutes. The category is gonna be hamburger. And here we have our dish with the time of prepare and the category. Let's create a new dish. Let's say margherita. I don't know if the pizza that I select is a margherita. The price is gonna be 25 bucks. The minimum time, let's say it's 1 hour, and the maximum time is let's say it's 1 hour and a half. The category, let's say Italian. Let's select our pizza here and create. Let's edit this hamburger, let's say X burger. Let's create a new one for rice and beans. The price is gonna be 5 bucks. 20 minutes. Let's say a common. Let's use this rice and beans. Let's add a new one. Let's say the name is gonna be pasta. The price is gonna be 80 bucks. Minimum time. Category, let's say Italian. Let's choose this for pasta. And here we have our dishes. And in the next lecture, we're gonna show the dishes to the user. We already have our card, but let's use our model instead of setting it explicitly. See you again next lecture.